Welcome to the iBoysoft channel. Today we're solving a common headache: how to get macOS ISO files for virtual machines or bootable media when Apple doesn't provide them. Whether you're running macOS on a PC via virtualization, such as VMware or VirtualBox, or creating emergency recovery drives, ISOs are essential. But here's the catch: never download random ISO files. Many sites bundle malware. Instead, use these two safe methods. Method 1 is to download the macOS ISO file directly from our ISO hub. Simply visit it, then select a version, and click the highlighted URL to download it. The link is in the description. Alternatively, you can create the macOS ISO file yourself. This requires a Mac that is compatible with the macOS version you need. First, grab the macOS installer DMG. Using iBoysoft DiskGeeker, you can scroll down to browse the available macOS DMG files. Then choose the version you want and click Download Image. After the macOS DMG file is downloaded, open Terminal from the Applications Utilities folder. Here you need to run two commands into Terminal. This is the sample command. You must replace the DMG file path with the actual path and X with the name. I use macOS 10.15 Catalina DMG file as an example. Copy the command into Terminal and hit Enter to convert the DMG file into a CDR file. Once the CDR file is created, you can run another command to rename it into an ISO file. Don't forget to replace X with the file name. Copy this command and paste it into Terminal. Hit Enter to execute it. Then you'll find the ISO file on the desktop. Pre-made ISOs save time, but self-built ISOs guarantee file integrity. If you don't have a compatible Mac, download the ISO file directly is the only option. However, if you have such a Mac, you can choose either one. Which method worked for you? Let me know below. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more Mac tutorials. Stay safe.